Learning computer-aided design, or CAD, is somewhat easy. It is easy, but you have to take it easy. You have to be good to yourself and learn for a long stretch of time. For me, I think it was an old DOS computer that had a CAD program installed on it. And while I had no idea what CAD was, I was still busy learning English, I understood what was going on. But for one reason only, because of how elegant the interface was. The screen was divided in 4 parts: top view, left view, front view, and a 3D view. I could see that editing a thing from the front or left, right, and top would allow me to create any shape I wanted. This made a great impression on me, as I could create things in 3 dimensions without rotoscoping. For the sake of completion, the program I was looking at was probably a cheap clone of DOS 3D Studio or some ancient version of AutoCAD. Next time 3D graphics came up was when I discovered POV Ray. There's a great power in trading the user interface for a programming language, which is a kind of an interface. Instead of clicking, you are coding. I didn't know it at the time, but POV Ray was my introduction to generative art. Over time, I daydreamed about 3D programs. A handful of daydreams across many years, but it made a difference. A few years ago, I played around with ZBrush to see if maybe I could learn something more. And finally, a couple of years ago, I got tired of heavy wallets during my workouts and sat down to Tinkercad to make a new one. My wallet came out as a block of plastic. It wasn't very nice, but Tinkercad helped me learn about the use of subtraction in 3D modeling, which led me to a few other concepts, and I felt that I was really making progress. Yesterday morning, I got FreeCAD running on my Walmart laptop, and this morning I studied FreeCAD Boolean Operations in Part Design video. And I figured it all out, including a crazy little thing where if you try to do a drag select from upper left to lower right, you select points, but if you drag lower right to upper left, you select the lines. What a fantastic idea! I only made the front of my new wallet, as the back is much easier, and I have to put it all together to see how it fits. It will take a few days to make the design more intricate. The artistic elements are going to look incredible. But it is now available in Tinkercad for inspection. You can see it in 3D. The wallet front and back plates are bound together by paracord, by the way. It is my first real CAD project from scratch. The only one I made previously, just a couple of days ago, was a case for my audio player, but that was me modifying existing 3D designs in Tinkercad. The wallet is practice for making the case from scratch, which, as you can see in the FreeCAD Boolean Operations and Part Design, is not that hard. I must mention that the prototype design was inspired by the early Travax wallets, but the direction I'm going towards is an artistic wallet that can store a car key fob. I also won't be using standard paracord, but elastic shoelace type material, which will also form the locking mechanism. There will be a little loop of elastic to latch onto the inner tab that is in the cutout area up front. We should never forget how fun learning for real really is.